Hey everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. Today we explore TikTok for beginners. TikTok is one of the hottest social media platforms right now. If you're new to TikTok, this guide is for you. It's designed to make using TikTok in 2024 easy and fun. From basics to insider tips, we've got you covered. Get ready to discover the world of TikTok. First thing, you should download and install TikTok on mobile. Let's get started. Head over to the App Store or Google Play and search for TikTok. Once downloaded, open the app. The good news is you can browse TikTok videos without creating an account. But to create and share your videos, you'll need to sign up. TikTok offers a few ways to sign up, using your email address, phone number, Facebook, or Google. Choose your preferred method and follow the on-screen instructions. Now you're in. TikTok's main screen, the For You page, is where all the action happens. Here, you'll see a continuous stream of short videos, all tailored to your interests based on what you watch and interact with. To follow someone, just tap on their profile and hit the follow button. If you have liked a video and want to appreciate it, tap on the heart icon. You can also comment on this video by clicking the comment icon. You can call it your favorite. If want to share any video or content with someone, tap on the share icon and you can share it. Tap on the rotating icon. Tap the Use this sound button to use audio. To find specific content, tap the magnifying glass icon in the top right corner. This is the search bar. You can search for hashtags, usernames, or specific types of content, like funny pet videos. You will see all the short videos about it. Alright? To create your own video, tap the plus sign at the bottom center of the screen. This opens the camera interface. Capture your video in sections or all at once. Choose the duration of your video. Adjust the recording speed for slow motion or fast-forward effects. Apply filters and enhancements to your video. Choose a trending song or soundbite to add music to your video. Here, edit your video by adding relevant hashtags, which help people discover your video, and tag any friends who might be in it. Finally, tap Post to share your video with the world. I hope you found it informative and helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.